Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 2:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Friday, November 5th, 2021. This is not financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell. Be notified when these videos come out, as well as thumbs up and share the video. We're here to talk about Ethereum. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below the video. In the meantime, let's go take a look at Ethereum and the US dollar. We're still in the channel, this little channel inside the bigger channel. The little channel has been going on for a little over a month and, about a month and a week, whereas the bigger channel, as I zoom out, has been going on for well over a year and a half. So there's that little channel over there, little month and a half channel. And here's Mama Channel. Mama Channel's been going on since March of 2020. Now, let's take a look at what's going on in terms of recent price action. We're still in the middle part of the chop of this channel. Looks like we're just going to continue riding up the channel. In the meantime, the Ethereum Bitcoin pair is starting to show pretty good signs of strength here in light of what's going on with Bitcoin today, which really isn't doing a whole lot. It's just down a couple of percentage points day over day. But right now, October 21st, this has been a pretty sharp line. And again, look at this giant pennant formation here. This is pretty significant. If we can get over this line, we could be in for a nice rally on Ethereum. So keep your eye on this. This is one of those pairs that not many people really look at to see what drives the US dollar version of Ethereum. So right now we do have a short-term line of support at around 71.74. We're at 73.65 right now. Need to break past this area of resistance. And I call it an area because it's not a perfect line science. It's not an exact number, but you know, there's usually a rough range. So it's more of an area of resistance. But 7,500 is where my line is planted. But anything a little above that also may be part of that resistance. But we really do need to make a giant move up past this yellow line of resistance. So maybe 7,800. Let me zoom out a little bit and we can get a little more visibility in terms of what that area would look like. Certainly, getting past 7,900 would do it in terms of a proper, proper acceleration in terms of price action. So we'll see how this thing pans out. 73.67 right now. In terms of Bitcoin, hard to say, but we do have a line of support that's been going on for a month and a day or so. I think we will continue up this line of support. However, at the same time, slightly looking like a potential head and shoulders pattern, which could take us to 54, possibly 48. And now I don't want to say that that's going to happen. I think if it does happen, it's going to be quick and painless and a quick rebound. But as I see it right now, I don't think it's a head and shoulders pattern. I'm calling this as a support line. And this is just bouncing in between this kind of quasi channel right now between this yellow and that green line that goes to 80,000. In the meantime, Bitcoin dominance going down as much as it has been going down tells me there's more of a risk on trade where a lot more people are moving their risk capital into the altcoin market. So I think overall crypto market values remain the same, but people are moving from a safe haven Bitcoin, if you could call it that in the crypto space, into the altcoin market. So interesting to see how this Bitcoin dominance is continuing to slide down. It's certainly not what I originally anticipated. This is definitely could be a channel at this point, very long term. But in the meantime, we'll keep you posted on Twitter on Ethereum if we see any interesting breakouts. We've only got a few days left to find out whether we can pop through this resistance area. Anyway, we'll catch up soon. Have a good weekend. Bye.